Okay, today we're talking about SSAT prep questions, and the first one's a ratio question. At Arnold Tutoring, 9 of the 15 tutors are female, so we have female, male, total. I'm going to make a really quick chart. So 9, and there's 15 total, so that means there's 6 men. Don't get messed up with that part. What's the ratio of females to males on the team? So we want females to males. So right away we figured out that there's 6 men. We can do our ratios 9 to 6. We always want a ratio in lowest terms, so we think, can these two numbers be divided by anything? And they can. We know they're both divisible by 3. So just like reducing fractions, we'll divide both of them by the same amount to maintain the ratio. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So our ratio of female to male is 3 to 2. This question is another SSAT ratio question. If Joanna's dog eats 1.5 pounds of dog food and 0.5 pounds of treats each day, how many pounds of dog food, this should say dog, food has he eaten when he's had 3 pounds of treats? So I'm going to do another total, treats, and food. So sounds like this dog is eating a lot, but we'll go with it. So he's eating, on one day he's eating 2 pounds total, and we want to know when he's eaten 3 pounds of treats, how much dog food has he eaten? So right away we see that this is a ratio question. We made our quick chart. The info we have is we got from 0.5 to 3, so we ask, what do we have to multiply 0.5 by to get to 3? I know it's 6. So we're going to multiply this one by the same to get to the total amount of dog food. So we have 1.5 pounds times 6. Because we have to maintain the ratio, we multiply both numbers by the same thing. 1.5 times 6 is 9 pounds of dog food. And that's the end of our question. This is a percentage change question from the SSAT that I've adapted to with my own numbers. So during the fall in Winnipeg, the temperature dropped to minus 15 degrees in one day. The day before, the temp was plus 5 degrees. By what percent did the temperature drop? So whenever we're doing these questions, we always want to think of the original and the change. So in this case, our change is we went from 5 to negative 15. Remember, we're finding the difference, can also call it. So we know we have to subtract. So that gives us 20. So we changed 20 degrees in one day. And we want to divide that by the original. The original was 5. So always we want to remember it's the difference divided by the original. So if I take my fraction of 20 over 5, that's the same as 4. We want it as a percentage, so 4 times 100 gives us 400%. A 400% change in temperature. Sounds about right for Winnipeg.